салом дӯстон, Аслиддин Назаров мебошам, истиқоматкунандаи ноҳияи Данғара, ҷамоати деҳоти Сангтуда ва яке аз хатмкардагони аудиокурси onebook. Дар ин навор ман ба шумо мехостам каме ҳамбоша дар бораи омӯзиш бо onebook ва натиҷаҳои худ гуфта диҳам. 6 моҳ қабл ман омӯзиши забони англисиро бо onebook шурӯъ кардам ва ҳозир ман метавонам озодона бо забони англисӣ гуфтугӯ намоям, фикри худро баён намоям ва метавонам бо хориҷиён озодона суҳбат кунам. Hello guys, how are you? I am Asliddin Nazarov and now I want to talk about how I learned the English language during last 6 months. As you know, English language is a language of international communication. I recommend it for everyone who wants to learn foreign languages, for example, English or Russian language. Audiokursi onebook, one of the best way to learn fast, naturally, and fluently. If you want to speak fluently, if you want to speak without any problem, if you want to communicate to people from other countries, let's choose audiokursi onebook. This method, one of the best way to learn fast and naturally. As you see, now I can speak fluently without any problem. It's very good. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon because I can speak with many people from other countries. It's very important for me. If you want to find a good job, if you want to find a good salary, let's learn foreign language, for example, Russian language and English language. It's help to you in future and in your life. Thank you very much.